In this video, we're going to be setting up an email account for our Namecheap shared hosting. So from your cPanel, you want to scroll down just a little bit till you see the email section, click on the email accounts link, and click on the create button. Here you can pick a username for your email account. In the previous video, I installed my WordPress site under tony@serial.guru, so I'm going to go ahead and create that email address here. I'm going to generate this password. Again, I'm going to be changing this password, so don't try to hack my WordPress website. Since we do have unlimited storage space, we might as well click this unlimited storage button and then finally click on create. In the next screen, you can see that your email address has been created. So go click on check email just to see what that's all about. Now here you'll see your email inbox, and the thing about this is it's nice, fully functional, but you're probably so used to going to Gmail to check your email, so let's go ahead and set that up. So in this welcome email that you got, you see these settings, incoming, outgoing, server settings. So what we're going to do is go into our Gmail account and learn not only how to receive email, but send email as tony@serial.guru or whatever domain name you're using, whatever email address you're using. So go ahead and go to your Gmail inbox, click on this gear icon and settings, and this fourth tab here is accounts and import. Under the check mail from other accounts, click on add a mail account, and I'm just going to go ahead and scroll this to the side just so we can see both windows. So the email address we're interested in is tony@serial.guru, so type that in, hit next. The only option here is that, so hit next. Username is going to be your email account. The password is the password that you picked when you set up this email account just moments ago. Your POP server is going to be this domain name. Your port is going to be 995 since we're talking about a POP server here. And I always like to check these three boxes here. So once you're done that, click on add account. So now we have officially configured incoming email to tony@serial.guru to show up in our Gmail account. The next thing we want to do is be able to send outgoing email from our Gmail account under the name tony@serial.guru. So we want to hit the next button here and configure that as well. These defaults look fine, except I want to actually change it. Instead of Tony Florida, I want the Serial Guru. Hit next, and similarly to what we just did before, we're going to put in that same SMTP server, change the port to 465 like it says down here. Our username again is our email address, and the password is the password that you use to create the email account. So within a couple minutes, you'll get an email from Gmail confirming that you want to check and send your email from your Gmail now. So go ahead and click on that confirmation link, and all you have to do is click continue. And now Gmail says you can send email as tony@serial.guru right from your Gmail inbox.